Yeah.
All right.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage
We bring you detailing information.
and other automotive goodness.
That's right. So if you guys could consider liking our page, please. I say our page. Why do I channel?
The channel, please.
You know.
Consider subscribing. It's free.
Yeah, we appreciate that, as well as ring the notification bell.
Yeah.
So you'll find out when we put up new videos.
Yeah, and share with your friends. And one more thing. Hey, check out our merch.
Please do that. Yes, appreciate that.
The link for the merch is down in the description.
Yeah, merch. You know, shirts, mugs,
Cool stuff.
hats, whatever.
There's a lot of
We
cool
have
stuff
hats?
up there. I don't know.
Masks.
Hey, go check it out. Let us know what we need in there for
Yeah,
you.
maybe there's something missing that you're looking for. All right, today, Ryan, we got a mystery box.
A box, yeah. And it is a mystery because it doesn't say what it is. It just says fragile, handle with care.
So we have a really great fan of ours, Keith. You know who you are. Thank you very much for sending us a mystery box here. Hey, we're gonna open it.
Yeah, wow. Keith, you're awesome. Let's see what's in here.
Let's check it out.
I don't know what this is all about, so.
I better put it over here. So
Yeah, I don't want to be sliced up.
Oh, I missed it. And Ryan has a nice gash on his face.
Hey, yeah,
now.
we don't want to have to call 911 today, Brandon. Careful.
All right, I need to sharpen the knife. So
Well, it's good that the knife isn't sharp, but maybe dull knives do more damage. I don't know.
still cut you though, right? All right, let's open this up.
Wow.
We haven't done a mystery unboxing in a while, have we?
Yeah, so, okay, top's open. Check out that.
Paper.
Our favorite paper. Here, check this out.
Just from quick view, holy crap, there's a lot of stuff in here.
Oh my God. Seriously? The box literally is packed full.
Packed full. You know
Oh my
what?
God.
We got sprayers. We love sprayers. And I'm gonna go right for the,
Yeah, just go for the top there.
well, here. Keith told us this, that's right. Ethos.
Ethos?
Ethos Car Care.
I'm not familiar
And
with
you know what? I'm not either.
their products. I've never used them.
In our, research and whatnot, I've seen this company come up, never used their products. But I wanted to go for this, check this out.
Yeah, Ethos Handcrafted Car Care. Check this out, guys.
I like this blue better than the blue I have. Look at these. These are the, like the
Oh,
towels.
dang.
Nice.
That is a nice color.
Nice blue towels.
Hey, check this out. I know you guys can't see this, but there's a vehicle parked over here. Oh my God.
Pretty much matches. Yeah.
Look at that. Wow, really
A couple nice microfibers.
soft.
You know what I like? That's the dual side.
Oh, yeah.
You got
I
this
appreciate
tighter nap here and the fluffy soft side here.
Edgeless, right?
Edgeless.
Wow.
Nice.
Good job, Ethos.
All right, Ryan. Since I took those out, I'll let you go next.
I'm just gonna reach in and pull out a bottle.
What you got?
So right here I've got the handcrafted Ethos Car Care Pro Ceramic Wax. Polishes, shines, and protects. Wow, what a nice label.
Yeah.
As you know, Brandon and I are label geeks. We love a good branded
Ceramic
label.
liquid wax. Sweet. Looks like a liquid, right? Yeah.
It is a liquid, yes.
I'm going for, I saw the color.
I'm gonna set this
Oh,
here so you can.
this is cool. Ethos Ceramic Shampoo. SiO2 infused
Oh, wow.
maintenance shampoo.
Oh, that's perfect.
Sweet.
So that would help you maintain your ceramic coating.
Exactly.
You know, to keep it fresh.
Check that out.
Wow.
Nice. I like
Cool color.
Yeah, cool color.
An awesome label. Where are we stacking these here? Maybe I'll move
Stack
them.
them by you.
We'll put them up front here.
But wait, there's more. another rag? Another couple rags.
Oh wow. Okay, so we got 4 total. Let's put those guys up there.
4 nice microfibers.
Put the Ethos. Okay,
Grab
I'm
them all.
gonna pull out a bottle. Ethos Car Shampoo, pH balanced concentrated vehicle shampoo.
Nice.
Look at that.
That's a good all-around shampoo.
I'm really liking all the consistency with the branding and the labels. I appreciate that.
colors on this stuff too. All right.
Yeah, that is actually, check out the color of this. Sorry.
Okay, we've got the Ethos new formula wheel cleaner, pH balanced brake dust eliminator. Oh, you know what? Check this out. It's got a nice changes color while attacking brake dust. It kind of shows you. It turns from green to that kind of reddish color, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of like the iron removers do. So that's pretty cool on the label.
That is cool because then you know it's doing something.
Oh, and you know they're speaking our language when it says pleasant cherry scented formula.
Nice.
Keith knows we like
Nice.
this stuff, you know.
Let me see that bottle. Gosh, these labels are amazing. Good job, Ethos. Wow. But here's that chart that Brandon was talking about. Hold that there for a second so you can. Wow. Okay, so
Your turn.
oh, it is my turn already
It's your
here.
turn.
What do we got here? Oh, here we got Ethos Car Care Liquid Carnauba Effortless Carnauba Wax.
Oh, sweet.
Check this out, and it looks like it needs to be
Shaken a little bit.
shaken, not
mixed.
stirred. Shooken, not stirred. Shaken.
Shaken and mixed.
It's my first day talking, I guess. So, but check out that.
There's still another bottle in here.
Oh my goodness.
I think this is the last one. Oh,
Oh, check out that
Ethos
label.
Car Care Foam Party Super Concentrated Pre-Wash Foam. Says helps break down road grime. Designed exclusively for foam guns and cannons.
Ah,
And addicting tropical scent and foaming action. I was wondering with the you know the palm leaves or whatever on here. Like
wow,
this
what
is
a
cool.
what a cool label. What's this chart?
Check that out. Another
on the
chart.
side.
That gives you stars on the foam, cleaning, shine, and scent, and it looks like they rate by like how many stars? Well, actually, the foam it's like 6 stars.
It actually went off the
So,
chart.
off
We'll
the
show it
chart
to you.
foam. Yeah. So here, Ryan, I'll let you show them that.
Here, check out this label. It is awesome. And here's the chart. Can you see that? So Ethos, wow. Here, I grabbed one last thing. There was an extra top in here.
Well, you got to grab actually.
And I guess that's
Oh,
it
you
for.
can toss the box.
Yep. Wow, that was louder than I thought it would be. So wow.
Hey,
the
we said
full
so.
line.
So. Yeah, that's awesome.
Actually, let's
that was a
line
lot of
them up for
product.
everybody to kind of check out here.
So as you can see, Keith wanted to keep us in business of making videos.
Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Keith. This is way beyond
Yeah. Wow.
awesome.
Really cool. That's exciting. This looks really fun to try out. I'm excited. We've got some different, can't speak again. Shampoos we can kind of even compare across the line here and stuff. So really, really cool stuff. Shampoos and waxes and wheel cleaners and towels and awesome. All right, so now that means it's time to get us into the Ethos game since we were both not, familiar with Ethos. So exciting to learn a new product line.
Yeah, this is all new for us, and we'll go into depth on each of these
Yeah, we'll
in
check out
future
each one of
videos.
these. Yeah, this was just to unbox, kind of show you what came in there. That kit that we got here from them. I don't even know what it is, but a mystery kit, I believe.
Wow, thanks again, Keith. You are amazing. You're awesome. Hey, you know what? I got a question for our viewers.
Yes.
Which products or which product do you want to see reviewed first?
Yeah, let us know.
Honestly, I don't know where to start. It looks amazing.
Everything's got its own little unique thing that makes you want to kind of gravitate to it. So yeah, let us know what you want to see first, and we'll get that going. We'll kind of look at the comments and pick something from there.
Yeah, please let us know down in the comments, and we'll start with the one that gets the most suggestions.
Yeah, let's do it.
Is that the right way to say it?
That's right. All right, Ryan, let's wrap it up.
Are you sure you don't want to?
Should we sniff them?
Yeah, you know
want to
that's
sniff them now?
you know-
Okay, let's sniff them now.
yeah.
Because I got you when it said addicting tropical scent.
That is the reason why.
All right.
I'm like,
well, then I'm gonna start.
We'll see.
I'm gonna start with the Pro Ceramic Wax. Then we'll wrap it up. All right. Waxy. It's pleasant. Smells like wax. Liquid wax.
Yeah.
What you'd expect from a liquid wax.
But it's not like a specific scent.
Yeah.
It's definitely got that wax.
This is exciting. I
No.
love new stuff.
I'm gonna go ahead and I'll start on my end, the wheel cleaner real
Ooh.
quick.
I said cherry.
Yep.
Careful. Wheel cleaner. Not smelling it. Wait. I already smell it. I don't even need to. Woo!
You know what that reminds me of?
Iron remover, right?
It does.
Which makes sense if it changes color.
Because that's what that must be that active chemical that removes
Yeah, I don't even need to open it.
Yeah.
It came this way. There's a waft of it. Although the cherry's subtle if it's there. But maybe we'll see when we spray it. Might
Ethos, I don't personally get the cherry, but that's okay. We understand.
We got more to try.
Go ahead.
Oh, I get to do. Oh, this one really is for you.
Is that the?
This is the tropical scent. I'm gonna let you do it first because you probably burned some nasal hairs on the wheel cleaner.
That's nice. It's pleasant. It's got a.
Oh yeah.
It's almost got a sweet.
It is. I feel tropically now.
Yeah, but it's almost got a hint of spice.
I think.
I don't know why.
I think
that was weird.
I think when we, you know, I'm not gonna say my thought right now because I think when we test this, we're gonna do something kind of funny. I'm not gonna say.
All right.
Watch out for the video on this one. Now everyone's gonna pick this one.
I'm just gonna keep in order here. The liquid Carnauba. Now, I do like the smell of a good Carnauba wax. So I'm assuming that's what this will be.
I think you're right.
I didn't read the label if it said anything about a scent. I don't see anything.
It says Carnauba.
Let's see if it's sealed or not. No, all these open up nicely. Yeah, it's got that.
Carnauba smell.
Yeah. In fact, it smells similar to that.
Yeah. All right, I got the other ceramic shampoo.
I don't know if the mic is picking up the cicada that just fired up out there in the tree.
He just fired up next door. Like
wow,
literally next to us.
It was a loud one.
All right, ceramic shampoo. Love the color. Ooh, that smells good. That smells really good.
Ceramic shampoo, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is my favorite so far.
I like that.
Wow, it doesn't really say, does it?
No. It's sweet.
Yep, I don't see it on there.
I'm not gonna say what it smells like because I don't know, but it smells good.
It smells like candy.
It's sweetish, candyish, smellish, good.
Yeah, cool color.
You take the
and the last
blueberries.
One, the car shampoo. And again, it doesn't say any specific scent. Ooh, very subtle. It's just a nice smell. I don't know what it is though.
Oh yeah.
I can't.
Okay, this is gonna be funny. I'm not a big. I don't fish a lot, but fishing's cool. Do you ever have the plastic gummy fishing lures?
Yeah.
That's kind of the scent I
really?
get. I had some as a kid that smelled like that.
That's an interesting.
I don't know. That's weird. But
you know what? Now the
grapey kind
second whiff of. I actually got a hint of grape.
Yeah. I think I had grape fishing lures.
Maybe.
I don't know.
You didn't eat them, did you? You're not supposed to eat your fishing lures.
Did you see how that just took me back like 30 years right now?
Yeah, I was like, what the heck?
Anyway.
But that's interesting. I did get a hint of grape that time.
Maybe that's it. Grapey, blueberry kind of.
Okay, enough of that silliness.
All right, now we'll wrap it up. Thanks for letting us smell.
And again, thank you, Keith. You've gone way beyond.
Above and beyond what we expect, so appreciate that support. And appreciate the support of all you guys. So please, again, remember to like and
please subscribe. We appreciate it. It's free.
We're trying to build those subscribers. And remember to get notified if you want to see the new videos.
Yeah, you just ring the bell, right?
Ringing that bell.
Ring the bell.
And checking out merch.
Yeah, we've got a lot of cool merch. And if you've got ideas for even more cool merch, we'll make it happen. We take requests.
He'll make it happen.
Yes.
Ryan's the man at that. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next one. Later.
Bye.
Check this out. Got a good buddy out there, right? Sent us a little something to check out. Hey, remember Amazon came last time? Now FedEx just came.
Oh, wow.
Every time
FedEx truck outside the garage here.